Hi guys, this is my first vlog from incredible colors of the world. The purpose of my vlog to explore the beauty of our national parks and the beauty of our nature and of course the wildlife. I love to visit national parks and thanks to the National Park Service of America that all the parks are maintained here so well. So for today, let's go to the Yellowstone National Park, the world's first national park. Here you can witness the volcano's hidden power, rising in colorful, beautiful hot springs, mudpots, and of course geysers, the famous geyser Old Faithful. So today I will take you to the mud volcano. So now the question comes, what is mud volcano? So basically it's a small vent or fissure in the ground discharging hot mud. So lots of gases and the water will be coming out. Hi, this is mud volcano. We are in the Yellowstone National Park. And you can see this is the mud. And the water is bubbling out.